learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one is where you do your homework. Correct. Number two, we will eat a, do you know? It's the opposite of thick. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Your cup is on your desk. Your cup is on your desk. Desk. Your cup is on your desk. A desk is similar to a table, but usually we use a desk for school work or a job. Now we can make a flashcard for desk. Please make a card like this. Write desk up here in the top left corner, D-E-S-K. Down here in the bottom left corner, H-O-U, 1. This means house, level 1. And over here the number 8 out of 20. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The IPA is the same. Desk. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. I will eat a thin pizza tonight. I will eat a thin pizza tonight. Thin. I will eat a thin pizza. This means the distance between the bottom and the top is very little. Now we can make a flashcard for thin. The opposite is thick, when the distance from the bottom to the top is great. And we also say Bob is thin. He is not fat. So for people we say thin and fat, but for pizza, thin and thick. We don't say these very much, but if you do, double N. Please make a card like this. The basic form is be thin times 2. It's for Bob and a newspaper. A1 down here. A1 means adjective, level 1. And over here the number, 79 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Thin. Thin. The same TH as thank you. Game over. You did very well. Your desk. And we will eat a correct. If you're high level, level 2 words. Number 1 you learn at school. Correct. Science. Number 2, be terrific. Means very good. And to do something great, we say, you played tennis great yesterday. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny. Nice to meet you.